Complete your custom PC build with a splash of personality by choosing from 7 unique colors and patterns. These individually sleeved, triple-layer mesh paracord cables aren't just about looks, they offer flexible routing that keeps your setup clean and organized. Forget about bulky connectors that clutter your build. These cables feature heat-shrink-less connectors, giving your PC a polished, display-ready finish right out of the box. Plus, the included modular interlocking cable combs snap on easily, even after your system is fully assembled, so you can achieve a professional look in seconds. Power stability matters, especially when you're pushing your components to the limit. That's why these cables come with inline capacitors on the ATX 24-pin, EPS12V, and PCIe cables to ensure clean voltage delivery and steady power, reducing the risk of instability during heavy loads. Users across the United States have praised how these cables transform their builds. One customer mentioned how flexible and durable they are, making cable management simpler and freeing up space inside the case. Even without professional skills, they managed to elevate their PC's appearance significantly. Another review highlights the premium feel of these cables. They deliver exactly what you pay for: compatibility, reliability, and a sleek look that stands out. Installation is straightforward, and while more cable combs would be appreciated, the modular design makes it easy to customize your setup as you go. If you're looking to upgrade your PC's interior with cables that combine style, durability, and performance, this set is worth a look. Keep an eye out for deals on Amazon Warehouse. You might snag these like new cables at a great price without sacrificing quality. Ready to give your build that clean, professional edge? These sleeved cables provide the perfect balance of form and function. Try them when you're ready and see how much difference well-designed cables can make.